Na only God go fit choose Naija presido come 2023. Oba Ewuaye II to Atiku. Oba of Benin Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Akpolokpolo, Oba Ewuaye II don yarn the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Atiku Abubakar, and him campaign team say na only God fit decide who the next presido for Naija go be. He yarn this one for the courtesy visit wey Atiku Abubakar and him campaign team come do to tell Oba of Benin about him campaign for the state on Saturday for Oba Palace, Benin City. Oba Ewuaye II call yarn Atiku Abubakar make he try his best to fulfill him campaign promises to rescue Naija.
Thank you very much for this visit. We got to some point actually, we were wondering if you had cancelled the visit because we got a word earlier on that we should please from the governor of our dear governor that we should please be on time to receive you and so on and so forth. And I sent a message back to His Excellency that we are usually on time because we are coming to meet us at home. We are not coming to meet them. So we are here. So when it was about 11:15, 10 to 11, I made sure that all my chiefs and functionaries that they all gathered and said, no, I don't want us to disappoint His Excellency the Governor. We must all be on time. So we were all here. Surprisingly, we waited almost 1.5 hours. I was wondering, I was calling my other chief, senior chief, who is a member of the campaign committee of those states, I think, the DG, for which I thank him for. What is happening as they visit the council? He said, no, that His Excellency, the presidential candidate, distinguished presidential candidate, was actually going to change to Benin attire or outfit and so on and so forth. I said, okay, thank you very much for this advice. So we all stepped back a bit at the last week. But it was going on the time, 1.5 hours. I was actually now wondering, I was worried even, as our Excellency traveled somewhere, the presidential candidate, what is happening. But we thank God Almighty. We thank our ancestors. We thank our ancestors for finally making this visit possible. Your Excellency, presidential candidate, this is not the first time here. Here is a home for you. It's home away from home for you. I want to thank the distinguished Deputy Vice President for finding time to accompany you here. I also need to thank the National Chairman who was present and our dear Governor of the State, His Excellency Dr. Obaseki, and his deputy, who I usually address as my son. I'm glad I got his letter congratulating me for the CFR and I also want to state that I was happy to receive the letter, particularly where he referred to the letter, the last paragraph that is still my lawyer son and subject. Thank you very much. I also want to say that I'm glad to have very glad that letter because the original anniversary came into the picture and so on and so forth. I've just given chief titles to those that were performing just now, and today happens to be one of the days that they have to do that as part of the process of their receiving of their titles. I'll see you later, but let me say since you are here, I'm actually glad to welcome you back as my son, as you are putting. Distinguished members of the PDP party. There's nothing much to say now. There's nothing much to say other than to say welcome. When I heard that you are coming today, it was almost like a very short notice, but we got together, got ourselves together, and I sent a message to the one you also admire very well, apart from the throne. First, you admire the throne of Benin Kingdom, you know, and then in your last visit, you did say that there was one of my chiefs that you really admire very much here, who was also for the police command when you were there, and that is Chief Iyase. I sent word to him that they should tell Iyase that you are coming, that he knows how much you love him very much, so you should please endeavor to be present, because for age, once in a while, although it is very frequent considering his age, but when you are before the throne, none of the chiefs talk about their age, but we are conscious of each other, everybody's age. That's why, as you heard from Frank earlier on, that every chief actually increased the throne on their knees, but we had to wave those two chiefs, Iyase and Esoma, to do it on their people while they are standing up. Because of reason of age, most of them is under 90 years old. So we pray for long life for everybody. They have been very, very useful to the kingdom. They have been very, very helpful to the kingdom. I want to say it openly again, even though I've said it to them separately, but I want to say it openly again. Everybody, I've been 20 years service of my life. as they will say, now your face will be this. So we have to go to see more. We have to go to see more, and more of the face of my son there, the deputy governor. So, Your Excellency, the ambassador, the governor, the governor of Sokoto, my warm regards to his eminence. But each time I came to Abuja, they told me you were coming to see me in Abuja. You never showed up. I wonder why. The eminence told me you were coming to see me. We waited and waited, you never showed up. And I'm going to be paying for it every day. You are prepared. His Excellency, the governor, will show that. All right. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, on behalf of my chiefs, members of the family, all our well-wishers, thank you very much. I wish you well in this your visit to Edo State. I wish your deputy well, and all of you, the national chairman and everybody there. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Atiku Abubakar, wey be the presidential candidate for the People's Democratic Party (PDP), talk say Oba of Benin na one of the ogbonge baba for Naija, and he get correct role to play for the smooth transition to the next government.
There is no way we can come into Edo State without paying this courtesy. Therefore, let me thank you on behalf of members of our delegation for granting audience, and we also seek your prayers, very peaceful transition in our country, the unity, peace, and prosperity of our country. As one of the foremost fathers in this country, you have a lot to contribute to a very smooth transition to the next democratic government. This is because we can ensure the security, the peaceful conduct of all political activities in the state and also elsewhere. So we thank you very much for giving us this opportunity, and we hope and pray that you will live long enough to give leadership to this kingdom and also the country at large. God bless your Royal Majesty. May you live long.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make you no forget your PVC na be your power. Not tell I'm giving a politician on election day.